All right, happy Tuesday morning. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live. Today, I am going to tell you how you can generate leads for practically any business, whether it be MLL business or whether it be that you're a service-based business and you're looking to get more customers for quotes, to get more business, to basically whatever business up. This may and it may not work for an online store. This is for coaches, entrepreneurs, and people that are struggling with generating leads. Number one, you must have a landing page. You know, I constantly always talk about landing pages because it is the way to stay connected with someone. It is a way for you to get a person's email address and phone number for those that are into selling and really getting in contact with people. It's a way to stay in touch because it helps you to build a relationship with people that maybe want to connect with you because they starting to get to know you, like you, and trust you. It's a way to stay connected. You know, every time you get maybe have a new product that you got to offer, or you have a newsletter, through an email address is the best way to stay in touch. Number two, you know, people, I know a lot of these coaches and these affiliate marketing programs always tell people, hey, go throw up a Facebook page, put all of your social media networks at straight to your website. Well, it's not going to do you no good. But if you put your link to your landing page, that's a totally different story. See, the difference is when you put your website up, people just go to your website. They don't have nothing to sign up, no way to get in touch with you. That's why a lot of online marketers struggle and generate leads because they have high bounce rates. But I can assure you that if you were to have a landing page and put the link to your landing page on all your social medias, when people check out your profile, as they always do, you know, I do it too, everybody do it. When they see somebody or something they might like, they go check out their profile to make sure that they are legitimate before they even put an email address to see what the person has to offer. But if you just got your website up on all your social medias and you know, you wondering why come you getting a whole bunch of visits but no email address, it's because no one knows how to stay in touch with you. If you want to generate leads, you're going to have everything in order. You're going to have a landing page so that people know how to get in touch with you. It might take some time, you know, maybe a couple of months. It could take a little longer, but you have to have that landing page set up to be able to generate leads, or else everything else is basically a lot of these online marketers are blowing smoke. All you need is a landing page, and if you want to market offline, of course, you're going to need some business cards, but a landing page, a social media channel, YouTube, Facebook, and you know, with a little cheap little advertising on Facebook, you know, for $5, maybe $10 for a boost, and get your stuff put out locally, or you can get it put out statewide. It depends on you and your budget. I know everything is different. Things are different for different people. You have to forgive me. It's Tuesday morning, pretty early for me. But if you have a landing page, all the thing you have to do is advertise it throughout your social media, you know, to be able to generate leads. Those people that constantly see you or know and like and trust you will sign up with you, and that's generating a lead. It is up to you to do the selling. And if you're just not getting started, if you can just get the email address or the phone number to the leads that you generate and start to try to build up your confidence as a marketer or as a businessman or woman by calling and trying to speak with these people, build a relationship, build that rapport so that you can make your first dollar online. Thank you. Have a good day. If you like, subscribe, hit the share button, like it. share it. Have a nice day.